Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I am going to be making these super easy air fried wing recipe. I know how much you guys love these type of air fried recipes, so I had to come back with another different flavor of sweet and sour wings. But before I show you guys how it's done, if you are new here, be sure to subscribe. Also, thumbs up the video if you enjoy, and let's go. Alright guys, here's my wings. They're nice and clean and pat dry. I am going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on there. Then we're going to start seasoning. All of the ingredients and the measurement will be down below. So if you're interested on recreating this dish, please check the description box below. These are the seasoning I'm using: onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, creole seasoning, as well as some Italian seasoning. You're going to mix that together with the chicken. Once you are done, I'll show you guys what to do next. Now that my wings are nice and seasoned, I am going to pop them in the air fryer. Before I do so, I like to spray the grill that you are going to place your wings on. I use a non-stick spray. Then we are going to place them. Try your best not to put them too close together. I love using this air fryer because it's super spacious. Now I will leave the link for you guys if you're interested on getting yourself one. It's very spacious and it works pretty good, so I'll leave the link below if you guys are interested. And no, this is not sponsored. Now I am going to pop it in the air fryer. I will be using the poultry preset for about 20 minutes on 400. I know this says 380, but I went ahead and changed it to 400 because I feel like it was too low. Now when they come out, they should look something like this. You are going to flip them over and pop it back in the air fryer for another 10 minutes because you want the other side to have a nice golden brown color to them, and the other side needs some more time to be fully cooked. So flip them over, allow it for another 20 minutes. Because the wings that I'm using for today's recipe, I recently purchased them from a different grocery store, so they're like super chunky and big, which I didn't really like. I like to cut my wings myself, so these came already pre-cut, which is fine. So I'm going to pop it back in the air fryer for another 10 minutes. While that is cooking, I am going to be making my sauce. For the sauce, I am using about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter into a skillet. Then we are going to be adding about half a cup of cayenne hot sauce. And also I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, as well as some jalapeno peppers, the juice, not the jalapeno itself, the juice. Okay, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the juice. It's sour, it's spicy, it's just going to give your wings a nice flavor. Now I am going in with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. Now it depends on how you like it. You can taste it. If you want to add more honey, you can. If you want to add less, you can. Basically, you can modify it up to your liking. You're going to let that simmer for about a minute or two, and basically your sauce is ready. Now I have my wings nice and ready. I am going to pour the sauce on there. Now if you want them to be more crispy, of course you can leave it longer, but I think they're good for now. Now what I am going to be doing, I am going to take the sauce and pour it all over. Now be sure to save some of the sauce because I don't know, personally I like to dip the chicken into the sauce and eat it at the same time. So as you guys can see, I saved some of the sauce, and then we're going to pour this sauce all over the wings. Now I'm going to give it a toss just to make sure the wings are well coated with the sauce. Once I'm done, I am going to pop it back in the air fryer. Yes, you heard me. Just to set the sauce on the chicken, I went back and put it in the air fryer, not for long, just to make sure it's nice and set. Okay, you're going to pop it back in the air fryer for another 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes, not too long. Keep in mind to put it back in the air fryer for 6 minutes on 400, and once they come out, you guys, how beautiful. As you guys can see, the sauce is coated, it's set. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Also, leave a like if you enjoyed today's recipe, and let me know down below if you are going to try this out for your family. And I will see you all on the next recipe. Bye, guys.